Hello everyone, Dan May with the American Green Zone Alliance. We are here in Walnut, California at the Mount Sac Community College campus, and today is a monumentous day for them. They are going to be given their AGZA Green Zone Certification Level 2 certificate. We're holding a ceremony. We have speakers from the South Coast Air Quality Management District, water districts. We have dignitaries from the college, and then of course we have the facilities managers and all of the frontline workers who helped make this a reality. We encourage you to come by later on and see what's happening.
Thank you to South Coast AQMD and AGZA and all the vendors participating and who gave support in our transition from gas to battery.